What's up, guys? Kawasaki here. Today we're back at it on the ZX6. Just to give you an idea of some of the things that are coming up here in the very near future are tank pads, tank grips, front brake pads, DynoJet Auto Tune, DynoJet Power Commander 5, still waiting on the front sprocket and chain, that's the rear, Servo Buddy, Motion Pro variable rate throttle kit, these are some of my favorites. Seat, easy peasy. If I have time and space once I'm in there, a loud ass horn, because this is going to be my daily driver other than, the weekend warrior track day thing. And what else? I've got tires on the way. That should be about it. So again, we're not going to get to all of this today. First I'm going to start with taking off the side fairings in the seat, because that's pretty much where we need to get at all the electronics anyway. Let's get this party started. So as you can see, it's really not that bad of a thing to get to. Not terribly hard. You just got to be careful. There's lots of little plastic clips that like to break, especially if you're rushing, pushing, or if they're cold. Take your time. I don't know if you saw me jiggling on the panels a lot. That's to free them up. It's not because I drank too much coffee this morning, which I did anyways, but yeah, that's besides the point. So I went a little bit farther. You don't have to take off these rear tail cowl pieces. I'm going to clean up a little bit of the previous owner's wiring and do some other investigation while I'm in here, so that's the only reason I went that far. Chances are you're only going to need to get as far as the battery and maybe your exhaust servo, and well, you can get there as soon as you take off the seat. So let me know if there's anything I missed, anything I should add, anything you'd like to see, and go out and ride it like you're sponsored when you're done. Not like this, won't work.